Hi, I'm Sarab Kapoor, a chef, author and a culinary consultant. Today we'll be making a dal Kashmiri style. Now this is a very simple recipe but very fresh and flavorful. Got some soaked chana dal here. You soak it for about 15-20 minutes or half an hour maximum. So we start off by cooking this dal in a pressure cooker. So I've got some water which is getting heated up here. So I'll add the soaked dal here, to which I'm going to add some salt, turmeric powder, a little bit of sugar. Close the cooker and we'll cook it for about 2 whistles and then let the steam drop off naturally. Now let's check on the dal. After 2 whistles, I'm opening the cooker. I want to transfer this dal into this little pot. Dal is cooked. Now I'll whisk it a little bit so that it mixes well. Now we can add our green chilies, some sliced ginger, and we'll let it simmer. I'm going to shift this. While the dal is simmering, I'm going to do the tempering. I'm going to melt some butter. Butter is melted. I'll add some cumin seeds, a little bit of asafoetida. Cumin seeds are fried. Switch off the flame and add some Kashmiri red chili powder. Now we'll pour this tempering over our cooked dal. Some freshly chopped mint leaves. Here we go. Our Kashmiri mint dal is ready. And here we plate it. Some fresh mint leaves. Kashmiri mint dal. It's ready. Do try this recipe at home and leave a comment below. I'll be back with many more vegetarian and vegan recipes soon. This is Chef Sarab Kapoor. See you soon.